Hi everyone, I hope you all would be doing well. Today's video is going to be about showing you some ways you can actually cheat on Online Proctored Exam 2026. I have received many questions about online exam cheating, and many have asked, is it possible to cheat during Online Proctored Exam without getting caught? I will show you some ways test takers have actually used to bypass the proctoring softwares. These methods can be from ordinary conventional methods of cheating to most advanced technical bypass methods. We will see all the methods one by one, and I will tell you which method is considered as the best method to cheat on online exam. So if you don't know what Online Proctored Exam is, it is basically an exam where your instructor watches you from webcam when you take your exam online. There are many proctoring software that can be used by your institution to monitor the test taker's activity during the exam. Different proctoring softwares have different features to secure the testing environment, from using webcam to screen recording and closing the unwanted apps and programs. So it means that a proctored exam is one in which a student is monitored through webcam, and his ability to use different resources is curtailed by not allowing to open other tabs or using AI during the exam. So it definitely makes one curious about how to cheat and bypass an online proctored exam with all these restrictions. Now I am going to show you different ways to cheat on online proctored exam without getting caught. Different ways to cheat on an online proctored exam. Technical expert method. There can be many ways to cheat on online proctored exams, but let me start with the most advanced and secure way to cheating. Although this method is based on expert assistance, but it is one of the secure and best results giving method. In this method, a custom software is installed in test taker laptop by the expert, and that custom software can bypass any proctoring software without getting caught. This is the top-notch method and can only be done by experts. If you need help with this method, you can find details in the description and fill the form to get help. Paper notes in blind spot. The first way is to use a normal piece of paper, like printing paper cut in half, and write down your notes small but large enough to read. Place this right above your keyboard on your laptop at the very bottom part of the screen, which is a blind spot where the webcam cannot pick it up. You can print a sheet, type notes in super small font in Microsoft Word, and position the words on the bottom left corner of the paper. Hidden phone on desk. The second way is to get your phone and hide it before the 360 scan so the professor cannot pick it up. Put the phone close by, not too far, because the AI software looks for suspicious hand positions and typing speed. Use a black or white case that matches your desk color so it blends in during the scan. Once the exam starts, grab the phone quickly, place it in the same spot as the paper method, above the keyboard, read off it, and lightly scroll without detection. Dim lights and screen glare. The third technique is to dim the lights right before the test starts, but not turn them off completely. The laptop webcam adjusts exposure to make it look real, so the professor won't notice the darkness. Turn your screen brightness to maximum, and if you wear glasses, position for maximum glare on them. This hides your eye movements when looking at notes or phone, as the software searches for eye direction and facial expressions, minimizing detection. Phone with Wi-Fi off and mobile data. On this next method is for using your phone. After hiding it as in the second technique, turn off Wi-Fi right before the test so they can't track it via IP address as a secondary device. Turn on 4G mobile data instead, as it uses a separate IP from your service provider, not trackable like Wi-Fi. Combine this with placing the phone above the keyboard for reading, using virtual machines, VMs, in online exams. The next method is using virtual machines to cheat in online proctored exams. A virtual machine lets you run a second system, which can hide what you are really doing. This makes it easier to open notes, search for answers, or use unauthorized tools during a proctored exam without being noticed. But this method is very complex, and many advanced software can detect it. I hope you now understand all the methods to cheat on an online proctored exam in 2026 and know which one is safe. In conclusion, I suggest that instead of taking any risk with your exam, the smartest approach is to simply rely on experts like us. We help students pass their exams without any risk. And the best thing is, we provide payment after results service, which means you can pass your exams stress-free. So if you are struggling with an online proctored exam, don't worry. Fill out our form given in the description and get grades of your own choice. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exam tips and tricks.